For this episode, we're doing another canned tuna recipe for this easy, relaxed day. Okay, let's get to it. You're gonna need 1 can of tuna, 10 grams of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 9 grams of soy sauce, 15 grams of honey, 8 grams of garlic cloves. Don't forget the
tortilla, bitch.
Absolutely, when it comes to tacos, you need refreshing garnishes. What I'm using is cilantro, onion, scallions, and shredded cheese. Before chopping, I like to smash these fools first. Pause. I don't know about anybody else, but I love the smell of garlic. Coat the skillet with veggie oils. Add the chopped garlic to the skillet. Slightly fry the garlic. Usually I put it on low heat so I avoid burning the garlic. Add the canned tuna. Sauteing the tuna for a bit. The combination of garlic and tuna aroma gives it a nice, pleasant smell. Add the soy sauce. Stir it in and mix it well with the tuna. The soy sauce adds another level of taste and smell. My choice of sweetness, I'm gonna add honey. If you don't have honey, you can replace it with regular sugar. Sesame oil gives the aroma that roasted, nutty smell. Damn it, I say smell a lot, but it's okay. Putting in gochujang. It's a Korean fermented red chili paste. Notes are savory, sweet, and spicy. All the combination ingredients goes so well with the tuna. Alright, let's prepare some of the garnishes now. Chopped scallions. Spraying some oil to the skillet to heat up some tortillas. Make sure you don't burn the tortillas. Flip them often to avoid overcooking. Alright, now it's time to put these bad boys into the tortillas. In order to prevent spillage, I like to place a spoonful in the middle. Add in some fresh sliced white onion. If you prefer, you can add kimchi or leave it out. I find it quite interesting that some Asians cannot eat cilantro. They all have the same taste. They say it tastes like soap. I don't know. And of course, some scallions. Definitely do not forget the cheese. God damn, that look tasty. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time.